Hi, everybody. We have Holly in her box, in her spring mix box.
There's a couple of snacks down there
loves
with
the
her.
spring mix box.
Yeah.
And we have some Set for Life. These are my favorite at
Your
the moment.
favorite?
At the moment, we have two. So we shall see if we can match one of these bad boys up. Maybe go for a trifecta or five-fecta. One
Some
of
sort
those.
of factor.
Yeah. We've got some good numbers, I think.
Oh, good. Are they lucky?
Yes. 12, 14, 21, 27, 28, and 30.
They sound good.
Nice array of numbers. Right, Holly? Right, Holly? Yes.
Yeah, okay, she says. All right.
All right. Oh, look, look, look. I told you I had a good one.
Oh,
I told
boy.
you. I got a coin.
Coin
My
right off the
favorite.
bat.
My favorite. First thing.
Let's
Coin.
hope for more
That could be a
coins.
good sign.
That could be a great sign.
I could go for a double fecta here. 26. I have the 27 and 28. 21. Ah, double fecta.
Wow.
Double fecta. 27. Triple fecta. Triple fecta.
Wow. Oh, let's do a whole ticket here. I know you need to get. Let's do most of the whole
Did
ticket.
I miss the 26? Do we have 26?
We do not.
We do
but
not.
You got a trifecta.
I got a trifecta.
All right. These are great tickets for you.
18. No. Not
Oh, you
that.
did good.
You did. You sent me
She
some
knew-
Holly luck.
Hashtag. Thanks everybody out there who says hashtag Hollywood. We appreciate it because it really does work.
Yes.
Hashtag Hollyluck.
4. No, no 4. We have a 14, but no 4. 15. No, we have a 14. 8. No, we have a 28. 22.
Nope, 21.
Nope, we got a 21. And a 7. Lucky 7. Nope, we got a 14 and 21, but no 7. It's a little 1. 17. Nope.
There's no more snacks in there.
24. No, we have a 14. Boy, we started off with a bang, didn't we? 21. Do we have it?
Yeah,
Well,
we
we
do.
21. Four-fecta.
You got a four-fecta.
Four-fecta. Four-fecta. All right, let's
Good
see
deal.
if we can go
Keep it going. You
for
do a 5?
five-fecta. No.
Nope, but you got a 4.
I got a four-fecta. That's good.
That's great. All right,
Coin.
Holly.
21.
Yeah, 27 and 21.
27 and a 21.
Good
All right,
job.
let's do the coin.
All right, big numbers. Come on, big zeros.
That is a $5. Okay, and the next one is a 21, which is a $10. $15 so far. And the next number is 27 right aside of it, which is a $5. So that's 20. And then the 21, which is another $5.
$25 win.
$25 win on a $10 ticket.
Can't complain about that.
Nope, can't complain about that.
Good deal. Nice win.
Woohoo! Four-fecta.
A four-fecta is always fun.
Four-fectas. Oh, all the fectas are good. On our second ticket, we have a 12, a 3, 26, 6, 17, and 4. 3, 4, 6, 12, 17, 26. 28, 24, 19, 27, and a 7. Nope, we have a 17. Okay, next row is a 14. No, we have
All right,
12.
look at the coins.
We're looking for a coin. Got my coin on the first scratch on that other one. So exciting. 11, lucky 13, but I don't have any 13 up top. And a 5. We have the 4, 5, and 6 now.
All right, keep going.
But nothing to match. Oop, went too high. 25, we have a 26. 15, no. 2, we have the 3 and the 4.
Of course we do.
20, and a 29. So nothing on the second ticket, but the first ticket we got 25. So that was good. And we got a coin. I haven't got a coin in a long time. All right, if you like what we do, please give us a thumbs up. And you can come say hello to Holly every night.
She's snoring. Look at her.
She's not snoring.
No,
She's trying.
she was snoring. She's moaning and purring. Look at her tail.
Holly, can you say hello to everyone? Holly, can you say hello?
Nope, I'm
No,
sleeping.
she says I'm going to sleep. Oh, she just ate, so the belly was burping.
Yep.
All righty.
All right, Holly. Have a good night.
Everybody have a good night and good luck with your scratching.